Telangana, we have got 74 branches. Our regional office is in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, the total business is 9,000 crores. The total business of the bank is 5,05,000 crores. This is one of the major regions of our bank. It ranks around 6th in the entire state, in the entire country. When compared to previous year, the growth in non-interest income is around 8% for year to date. Currently, we have got 74 branches in the state of Telangana. We intend to open another 22 branches during the current financial year. We already have licenses for 3 centers, that is Suryapet, Siddipet and Armoor. We plan to open 1 branch on 11th November, that is our foundation day, and the 2 branches will be opened immediately thereafter. And as far as ATMs are concerned, we have got 158 ATMs, out of which 68 are off-site ATMs and the others are all with our branches. That is, they are situated within the branch premises. As far as the Prime Minister Jan Dhan program is concerned, we have been allotted 111 service area villages, out of which we have conducted 46 camps, and the survey is also completed in 97 area villages. We have opened 37,800 accounts, and around 33,000 accounts Aadhaar is also seeded, and ATM cards are also been issued to 80% of the account holders. As far as our bank's position after post bifurcation, there is not much of an impact, because even earlier we had a regional offices in Hyderabad which was looking after the entire Telangana. We were also looking at that time for 2 districts, Anantapur and Kurnool, and Khammam was with another region. Now post bifurcation, the districts have been aligned in tune with the geographical separation. So as such, we do not have any issues with regard to separation of state. Now as far as the loaning pattern is concerned, our total loaning is around 3,900 crores in Telangana, out of which 30% constitutes retail lending, that is housing, cars, scooters, in that sector, and the corporate sector constitutes around 30%, and the remaining goes to agriculture and MSME. We have got an exposure of nearly 910 crores in Telangana, covering almost 1 lakh of accounts. Burden as such is not there, because the state government has promised to pay the farmers up to 1 lakh of rupees. We have already received 25% of the loan amount that has been credited to the loans, and in tune with our head office guidelines, we are renewing the loans and giving additional loan to the farmers so that their farming activity can be carried forward. Union Bank is one of the tech-savvy banks. We have got awards for technology. In among the nationalist banks, we rank in adoption of new technology. 60% of our transactions are on the net. That means no manual intervention is there for all these transactions. And we plan to open, as I said, another 22 branches in the state of Telangana. So we have got a very good demand for educational loans. All the loans are being sanctioned as per the scheme given by Indian Banks Association. Even over and above that, whatever has been stipulated by IBA, our bank sanctions loans depending on case-to-case basis. Because we have sanctioned, though the cap is 20 lakhs for prescribed by IBA for foreign loans, we sanction even more than 20 lakhs also on deserving cases.